Hello everyone and welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today we're going to take a full look around the stadium to see the latest progress happening across different sections. From structural work and panel installations to ongoing preparations for the next stages of construction, there are several updates to cover. So let's get started and see what's new at the stadium today. Work is actively underway in the North Gol corner area. Several workers are using a hydraulic hammer to break the surface of the ground in this section of the corner. At the same time, multiple lifting platforms are operating around the structures of the future elevators, where finishing work is progressing. Crews are currently painting steel beams, applying protective coating to the structure. Protective covers have also been installed on the glass panels in this corner to prevent dirt or damage. Another important update here is the installation of many anchors on the supports for the lamas. These anchors have already been installed on the left section, while the remaining sections are still pending. In the central area of North Gol, construction activity continues, especially in the upper sections where several workers are operating. Welding work is taking place outside the structure, while prepared construction pieces remain ready on the ground waiting for installation. The vertical connections required for the support structures have not yet been installed in this sector. However, preparation work continues on the structures where sandwich panels and concrete panels are expected to be installed in the coming weeks. Inside the structure, some workers can be seen operating on scaffolding, although activity is lighter compared to previous days. At the Tribuna corner, several workers are active in the upper levels of the structure. Multiple glass panels have already been lifted and stored in position, ready for installation. Inside the structure, lifting platforms are working around the scaffolding. In the lower section, the supports for the lamas are still awaiting installation. Materials and components, including chrome tubes and construction boxes, are positioned in this area in preparation for upcoming work. Additionally, a prefabricated seating section is being lifted by the tower crane, bringing the third tier of this corner closer to completion. Significant progress is visible in the Tribuna area where sandwich panels continue to be installed on the structure. Several panels are already in place, while more panels and prefabricated seating sections have been delivered to the site. Workers are also active on lifting platforms inside the structure. Concrete panels have already been installed in the background structures, and additional installation work is taking place across multiple levels of the building frame. Work is also taking place in the diamond area of the store structure. Workers are currently installing metal connectors between the glass panels on the upper section. The remaining glass panels required for the entrance doors are already prepared nearby and ready to be installed soon. Several workers and delivery vehicles are present in this area as additional materials arrive on site for ongoing construction activities. In the South Gol section, workers are applying material to the rear side of the structural beams behind the lama supports. This process appears to be part of preparation work before installing the anchors. Unlike North Gol, the anchor installation for the lama supports has not yet started in this area. However, multiple workers are active inside the structure and on scaffolding, indicating ongoing progress in preparation for sandwich panel installation. In another corner of the stadium, workers are performing different tasks on the structural beams and platforms. Some workers are applying finishing materials to the beams, while others are working with tools around the structure. Activity continues across both interior and exterior sections of this area. In the lateral section of the stadium, newly delivered radial beams remain on site, awaiting installation. These large structural components will be used for the compression ring system. Concrete pumps are present in this area, although they are currently inactive. Workers can be seen moving across the upper levels of the cantilever structure where compression ring components are located. Across the lateral yard, multiple structural components remain stored, including phalanges, pillars, and additional parts for the compression ring. Some pieces appear to have been repositioned, while others remain in the same location as previous days. Construction teams continue preparing the area for upcoming installations. Third-tier prefabricated seating is advancing rapidly, particularly in the south end, with tower cranes lifting multiple modules daily and trailers continuously supplying new units. In the north section, only a small structural gap remains before full connection with the Tribuna side, as crews carefully align, secure, and insulate each seating block to ensure precise joint fitting. The structural framework of the third tier is now very close to full closure. Construction on the VIP ring is now concentrated on the second level. Concrete pumping operations indicate reinforced floor development, while upcoming phases will include installation of aluminum framing, glass panels, and internal divisions for private hospitality boxes, moving the premium area steadily toward enclosure. In the final section of the lateral side, workers are assembling protective fencing structures on the scaffolding. Lifting platforms are also operating around the lama supports, where crews appear to be tightening structural elements from the rear side. Workers below are handling pipe installations beneath the alveolar slabs, while drilling work is taking place in the upper levels. These pipes are likely part of the future LED lighting system for the llamas. There is an update on the Phase 1C license at Spotify Camp Nou. As of early March 2026, FC Barcelona is awaiting final approval from the Barcelona City Council. Approval is expected in the coming weeks, likely around the second week of March. Phase 1C will increase stadium capacity to about 62,000 by opening the North Gol section, adding roughly 14,000 seats to the current 45,000 plus allowed under Phase 1B. The goal is to have this ready for the home match against Sevilla FC on March 15th. Registration for these new seats started on February 26th and is reserved for season ticket members. Meanwhile, the stadium continues to operate at reduced capacity while safety and access requirements are finalized. Overall, construction activity continues across multiple sections of the stadium. Although some areas show lighter activity today, progress is ongoing across the entire stadium structure. And that's the latest construction progress around the stadium for today. If you enjoyed this update and want to keep following the development of the stadium, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and keeps these regular updates coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.